Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to find the IP address of your Roku TV. So a lot of people are asking this question and they are confused like what is their IP address and where they can find it. So this is the official like Roku community and a lot of people ask their questions here and they have experts who give them answer. And here is the answer given by one of the community expert of the Roku TV like what is the IP address of my Roku device. So that guy just answered that net connected devices have no innate IP numbers. IP numbers are assigned by the router each time the router connects to the device. So they are basically saying that if you connect your Wi-Fi with your Roku TV, then this can be an option that your Roku TV will have an IP address. And let's say if your Roku TV is not connected to your Wi-Fi or router, you will not be able to find IP address as Roku TV does not has its own IP address. And let's say if you have like how can you find it? If you have access to your router's parent like control panel, so you should be able to find a listing of the connected devices. Like let's say you have the Wi-Fi router, so just make sure to log into the admin panel, and in the admin panel you will be able to see all the devices that are connected to your network and all of their like IP addresses. So make sure to find the IP address from this section like Wi-Fi login panel. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can find your IP address in Roku TV, and make sure if you're not connected to internet, so you will not be able to find it. So that is a simple answer of how you can find IP address on Roku TV.